Hi guys, today we are going to see how to use the Amway Central app and shop online. Okay, so first download the Amway Central app from iOS or your Play Store. Okay, once you're in the Amway Central app, okay, click the Amway Central app. Okay, the first time you log in, you'll ask for your ABO number and password. Okay, once you have logged in, then you don't have to put it in again. Okay, so now you can see this is the Amway Central app. Okay, first is the home. Okay, if you look at the bottom right, home, then is the calendar, my library, resource, notification. So in the home you can see all your latest contests and all. Okay, second is calendar. When you go to calendar, you can see what is the new promotions and everything. Okay, the fourth one is your my resources. Okay, here you can see all the informations and new things. Okay, and once you click here, you can download and read about it. So when you click the download button, it'll enter my library. Okay, so this one is I have already downloaded the Neutralite and wellness program and I've already read it. Okay, then the last one is the notification, if there's any notifications and new updates. Okay, if you look on top, latest is all the latest promotions. Okay, these are all the trending products. Okay, and if you shop online, Amway will collect the information and they'll start sending you recommendations on new products. Okay, lastly is all the promotions in Amway latest, so you can just read through. So on your top corner right, when you click there, you can see a new toggle appear. Okay, firstly go to your profile. Okay, once you're in your profile, click manage profile. Okay, it'll ask your ABO number, so if you sign up it will be there. Okay, then you just log in. Okay, so here what you have to do is go down. Okay, check your IC number, date of birth, all correct. Very important, you have to check your mobile number. Check your mobile number. If your mobile number is wrong, just click edit and put the latest mobile number. Once you have saved the mobile number, it'll send a TAC to your mobile number. Just validate your TAC and it'll be saved into Amway. So why the mobile number is important is because when you make a purchase, okay, before sending the purchase, Amway will call you first, when are you free, and then they'll send the purchase. So your mobile number is very important and your address is very important. Okay, so check this both before start to do online shopping. Okay, so once you have already updated that, go back. Okay, once more go to your top right. Okay, here you can see the training for ABOs right in the bottom. Okay, you have a business tools also there, so you can download all the videos to promote your business. Okay, for those who want to just start shopping online, okay, just click anything, nutritional, wellness, power up, anything, just click there and click on shop online. Okay, so once you're in shop online, okay, this page will come out. Okay, top here is all the categories. Okay, for people who always know or they know their product, you can just go to search here. Okay, just say you want to buy a juice, you just key in the juice name and it'll appear straight. So you just click. Okay, and you can add to cart. So you add this to cart. Okay, it will straight go into your cart. So on the top you can see first this it'll ask you whether you want to do shopping, business or knowledge. Okay, second is the settings, your delivery address and all. Okay, third is if you have clicked anything favorite. Fourth is your shopping cart. So when you go to your shopping cart, it will show you that you have clicked on this. Okay, let's say if you're okay and you want to buy this, you just click on pay now. Okay, so let's look at the categories. So once we click the categories, so this is nutrition and wellness. Okay, and then there's a subcategory down. Okay, essentials, children's health, adult, general health, immunity. So let's say if I take weight management. So all the weight management vitamins will be here. Okay, now let's go to the second one. Okay, this is all the energy drink. Okay, the third one, okay, this is all the health and beauty stuff. Okay, you can see first is skincare, makeup, fragrance, accessories. So let's say if I go to accessories, you can see all the accessories items which you want to shop. Okay, so the fourth one is personal care. So here you have your body care, hair care, oral care, child care. Let's say if you go to child care, you can see all the child care items you want to buy. Okay, next is shop by category. Hair treatment, water treatment. So this is all under home and living. So let's say if you want to go to laundry care, just click there and all the products are there. Okay, next is, okay, this is personal shoppers catalog. All the electrical things will be here. So you can see more home products, food and beverages, personal items, exercise and health devices. Okay, so under food and beverages is your fruit juice and cakes, cookies and all. Okay, so you can check out each one, but if you know what you want to buy, you can just go to the search bar here and search it straight. Okay, so you can just go through and have a look. Okay, that's first one. Okay, second one, when you go here, so shopping is done. Okay, now it's business. So if you go to business, okay, this is our business site. So all our ABOs and everything. So when we go first toggle bar, you can see, okay, this is my business tracker. Okay, I can see how many renewed ABOs, non-renewed ABOs, what's my business level now and all. Second toggle bar, okay, this is a business center inquiry system where I can put the ABO number and view their performance bonus schedule and everything. Third, this is my LOC where I see all my business numbers. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so this is my lineup. As you can see, all my business members and who are below them, okay, who I need to talk to or who I need to join, everything is there. Okay, I go back now. Okay, so that's all. Okay, next bar is knowledge. Okay, knowledge is all about the training events, Amway e-learning and all these courses. Okay, and these are all the Amway apps. So if you buy eSpring, you have a eSpring app. Buy Artistry, there's an Artistry app. Okay, and there's product information and everything. So everything you can download here. Okay, so you can check your profile here also, shopping list and everything. Okay guys, so Amway is now as easy as shopping in Lazada or Shopee. Okay, and with COVID-19 around, shopping online is the best solution. So let's shop together and grow together. Thank you.